If man has dominion over all the creatures of the earth, why is it that the creatures are attacking men today? Why is it that we have to train them to obey? It was not like that in the beginning. What happened? In the beginning, Adam and Eve were gardeners. They were making the earth beautiful. But when they decided to worship Satan, the devil, they became tillers of the ground. They started destroying the earth instead of making it beautiful. And this caused the animals to be transformed. The animals had to evolve to be able to defend themselves against Satan's children. And this is why they attack humans today. They will not attack you if they are not threatened by you. They will submit to you. But if you threaten them, it's on. In the beginning, the lambs did not have to worry about the wolves. They played together. In the beginning, no one had to worry about the snake in the grass. You could play with the cobra, and it would do you no harm. In the beginning, the lion was just as gentle as your pet cat. As a result of the tillers of the ground, Satan's children, the animals attack some men. But this is coming to an end. I know you have heard this before, but this is also true today. We are in the last day. You know what that means when they say we're living in the last days? A day is 1,000 years to our creators. We're living in the last days. If you want to have your paradise back again, bow to your creators and become their friend.